In this course, we'll focus on connecting Power BI to Microsoft SQL Server using both DirectQuery and Import modes. This hands-on course is aimed at beginner and intermediate users of Power BI, especially those with limited prior experience of working with SQL Server. All the materials used in these video tutorials can be downloaded so that you can follow along as you watch. And during the course, you'll get practice on connecting to both the on-premises and cloud-based versions of SQL Server. The course starts with a walkthrough of installing the required software and exercise files, and an overview of connecting to SQL Server databases in general. We then move on to discuss different strategies for connecting to data held in SQL Server databases, connecting to SQL views, executing SQL commands from within Power BI, as well as using Power BI's Relationship Columns feature to navigate and collate relational database tables. We also compare the experience of importing data with that of working in DirectQuery mode, and the different roles played by on-premises data gateways in each of these modes. In addition, we'll look at creating a live connection to an analysis services cube, parameterizing your SQL Server connections to facilitate switching from a testing to a production server, as well as the use of data flows to centralize your data connection and data cleansing operations. So, if SQL Server data will be playing a key role in your Power BI reporting, then this course will get you up and running with all the key features and techniques with which you will need to become familiar.